Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something exciting, something competitive and packed with massive rewards. The Ramadan Trading Titans competition hosted on MEXC. This event is designed for serious futures traders who want to compete on a global stage and unlock high-value prizes. Before we move forward, let me clearly say this video is for educational and informational purpose only. It is not financial advice. Futures trading involves risk and you should only participate after doing your own research and understanding the market conditions. Now let's break everything down step by step. Viewers, the Ramadan Trading Titans is a large-scale future trading competition running on the MEXC exchange. It combines competitive leaderboard rankings, a dynamic USDT prize pool, longevity physical rewards, and milestone-based unlocked bonuses. This is not just a simple campaign, it's a volume-driven competition where the entire community contributes to unlocking bigger and bigger rewards. Registration and competition period details are as under. Viewers, the registration and competition period are synchronized. Registration will be start on 14th of February 2026 and it will last until March 15, 2026. That means once you register, you are immediately part of the live competition during the same time frame. No separate waiting period here. You can also check out that competition is going to be start on 14th of February and it is going to be ending on 15th of March 2026. And here you can also check out the prizes and you can check out the number of participants. You can also check out the total valid future trading volume. And other details have been provided here. To join the competition, you must maintain at least 100 USDT total equity in your future accounts. At the time of registration, trade-eligible perpetual futures pairs, stable or coin pairs such as USDC, USDT are excluded. This ensures that all participants are actively trading real and perpetual futures markets. So, viewers, here you can also check out that at the time of the latest update. The 1,242 participants have joined. Total valid future trading volume has reached approximately 409.6 million USDT. This shows strong activity already, and the numbers continue to grow as more traders participate. And now we will discuss the dynamic reward pool. Viewers, you can check out that one of the most exciting part of this competition is the dynamic prize pool system. The reward unlocked based You can check out one of the most exciting part of this competition is the dynamic prize pool system. The rewards unlocked based on total collective trading volume from all participants. Here how it scales. So viewers, active 3 billion USDT volume prize pool unlocks at 50,000 USDT. If total volume reaches 10 billion USDT, prize pool increases up to 500,000 USDT. So the more the community traders, the bigger the total reward pool becomes. This creates a shared competitive energy across all traders. So here you can also check out today's prize pool. You can find out $2,158 and here you can also check out daily check-in point rewards, event arena, and here you can also check out future turning volume and other details have been provided here. And here you can also check out the prep participation criteria, and here you can also check out the eligibility and eligible trading pairs. So I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out these details. And here you can also check out how to participate. First step is sign up and meet the event's minimum asset requirement to participate. Step 2 is users who start getting after successful registration and meet ranking requirements according with event rules will stand a chance to share the prize pool. And third one is if you meet the criteria for the seeming rewards, the rewards will be airdropped to your future account within 7 working days after the end of the event. Here you can also check out the rules and revelation. Here you can also check out the MEXC trading spree. Viewers, you can also check out that the MEXC trading spree is a opportunity alongside Ramadan Trading Titans. MEXC is also running multiple digital campaigns. First one is MEXC trading spree tier-based reward system up to $520 in rewards. Requires stars completion and trading activity. KYC verification required. Here you can also check out details. 3 ways to win, baby. You can check out each and every detail having provided here. You can also track your progress. Terms and conditions apply, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out this. And here you can also check out the minor trading spree, and here you can also check out that if you want to be bought of air to new users exclusive awards are so available. You can check out it and you can take part in their trade, and here you can also check out minor trading trail. Viewers they deposit 100 USDT trade 1000 USDT future volume on 25 US dollars and BTC wars. If conditions are MEXC, as you can find out each and every detail, have been provided. A registration is going to be ending in just 16 days and 15 hours. If you want to register, link has been given here. And here you can also check out the events start on 11th of February and ending on 8th March of 2026. The award distribution time period is within 14 days calendar days of the event should end. And here you can also check out the UC reward structure in just 3 steps. Each and every detail have been provided here, and you can also track your progress. And here you can also check out new users trading task and trade, and more details have been provided here. And here you can also check out that if you want to be part of this amazing competitive event, you can sign up your account and get 300 gold, 300 US dollar gold free new users exclusive award. And here you can also check out Crypto Outpost new user special limited offer for the simple quick rewards. Registration is going to be ending in just 16 days and 5 hours have been left. Event will be start on 11th of February and end on 8th of March 2026. And 3 steps to easy reward. Step 1 is register an account via the Crypto Outpost referral link. Step 2 will be within 7 days of your first deposit accumulate a total deposit of 100 USDT. A link has been given you can deposit, and step 3 will be complete the task to claim 10 USDT sport rewards. Event details have been provided as you can track your conditions. And the details progress. Terms and conditions apply, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out these terms and conditions. Show me where this is an amazing event, and I can see that all the rewards from Ramadan Trading Titans are scheduled to be distributed within 7 business days after the event ends. Show it's amazing and loves security volume milestones. This makes it one of the most comprehensive future training competition currently running on the platform. The Ramadan Trading Titans brings together competition, community momentum, and premium rewards in one powerful event. From USDT price boost to celebrity lifestyle prizes, it creates a strong incentive structures for active future traders. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video and share it with others who might be interested. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay informed, stay smart, and trade responsibly.